Guys, I don't mean to brag, but Australia leads the world in rooftop solar. You probably already know this. 1 in 3 Australian households has solar panels on the roof. 1 in 3. Nowhere else on the planet comes even remotely close to that level of distributed solar penetration. But there's a massive blind spot in this success story, and it affects more than 2.5 million Australians. If you live in an apartment, you've basically been locked out of the rooftop solar revolution. And not many landlords install solar. Yes, some do, but not many. It's pretty rare. Now, researchers at the University of New South Wales think they've found a way to fix this using artificial intelligence. Let me give you the numbers first because they're genuinely shocking. In New South Wales, 1 in every 5 homes is an apartment. But according to UNSW Canberra, only 3.5% of apartment dwellers in that state have access to rooftop solar. On the Electric Viking website, I'll put a link in the description below. We have more articles about electric cars and battery technology than any other website that I'm aware of in the world. So check that out. Link is in the description. And there you'll find our videos and analysis and articles about everything going on in the EV world. Yeah, I mean, basically no one. Almost no one has access to rooftop solar if they live in an apartment. It's very rare. 3.5%. Compare that to 1 in 3 households nationally. You can see the scale of the problem. Researchers are calling it the solar ceiling. And it's not just an Australian issue. The same barriers exist in dense cities all over the world. I've done videos on what the United States is trying to do to fix this problem right now. This is in Congress right now. Obviously in Germany, they have fixed this problem. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of apartment dwellers in Germany who have balcony solar. But why is it hard to put solar on apartments? 3 reasons. First, ownership. When a building has 50 owners and a strata committee, deciding who pays for the panels, who owns them, and who gets the savings becomes a nightmare. And some of these people have been brainwashed by anti-renewable energy fossil fuel clowns, and they're too hard to deal with. Second, the metering infrastructure in most apartment buildings is decades out of date and was never designed to handle distributed energy. And third, the buildings themselves were simply never designed for it. Limited roof space shared between dozens or even hundreds of units. These same problems apply to townhouses, mixed-use developments, and even commercial buildings as well, which means the gap in access to cheap, clean energy in cities is even bigger than the apartment numbers suggest. Here's what the University of New South Wales is doing about it. Researchers at UNSW Canberra have developed an AI-powered energy management system, and they're combining it with something called a modular power portal system, or MPPS. It's developed by industry partners VoltVal and JT Solar. The MPPS integrates rooftop solar generation with shared battery storage designed specifically for apartment buildings. The pilot is backed by a grant of around $790,000 from the Australian government's Trailblazer Recycling and Clean Energy Program. Not a lot of money if you ask me. I think they could have put a bit more in, but it's something. Now, the AI part is what makes this genuinely interesting. The system is designed to forecast both energy generation and demand across the building, coordinate all the distributed energy resources, and balance electricity flows between individual apartments in real time. Think about that. Instead of every apartment fighting over a fixed slice of the solar pie, the system intelligently shifts energy to where it's needed, moment by moment. Dr. Ripon Chakraborty, who's leading the project, says the goal is AI-enabled optimization technology that can intelligently coordinate shared solar and battery resources across multiple residents. And the projected results? Associate Professor Haodong Mo, who co-leads the project, says the technology will increase renewable energy use and cut operating costs for participating buildings by as much as 30%. That's not a rounding error. That's a big number. 30% cut in operating costs is transformational. And it flows through to renters and owners alike, including people who could never afford to install their own system. The pilot will run across multiple commercial and residential cities and sites, in Sydney, and the real-world performance data will be used to validate the system before wider rollout. The director of JT Solar made a point which is spot on. The barriers holding back clean energy in Sydney's apartments exist in dense urban environments worldwide. Beijing, Tokyo, New York, London, Singapore. If it works here in Sydney, it'll work in those cities as well. Here's my take. Well, Australia proved to the world that rooftop solar on detached houses works at massive scale. At, basically probably 50% of detached houses. Cracking the apartment problem is really the next logical step. And whoever solves it first has a genuinely global product on their hands. 2.5 million Australians locked out of solar is a problem. But it's also an enormous market. And billions of apartment dwellers worldwide are waiting for something exactly like this. Let me know in the comments, do you live in an apartment and would you sign up for shared solar and batteries? See you in the next one. And by the way, thank you to our Patreon supporters and YouTube members. You are what make these videos possible. I appreciate your support. If you can join and become a member, I'll put the links in the description. Just click on them and help support the energy revolution. Thank you for watching. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.